All right, beautiful people. Um, you're welcome to Minimalistic Logo 2.0. Today's tutorial, we are going to be designing um a bit of a world-class kind of logo. So we're going to be naming it let's just name it green environments. Green environments. Okay. Now you can leave your settings like this and hit on the create button. All right, so here we are in our workspace. All right, so the first thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be using the ellipse tool. Let's change this to, I want us to use something. Can note down this value. Okay. The stroke blue 35, fill 0. All right, so let's start by drawing this first. It's a Control T. Alright guys, so once you've perfected the circle, I want us to go ahead and create uh let's create a new one. Let's name this O1. Alright, so the fill blue, the stroke 0. Okay, so on our O1, I want us to draw our first circle. Okay, create another layer, fill. Now change this to pure white and put the second circle. All right, okay, all right, so let's group these two and name it O1. Okay, let's bring it somewhere here. All right, double click on it, guys, double click on it. I want us to add a white stroke to this design. Increase, make sure it's white. Okay, all right, so Control J to duplicate. Let's put the second one around here. Okay, the second one around here. Somewhere here is good. Okay, Control J again. This one is for the third one. This one is for the third one. Alright guys. This one is for the third one. Okay. Now when you're done with this, you can go ahead and choose your green color. Okay. Now I want us to grab the pen tool, leave it at shape. Now I want us to click here, here, okay. Note guys, you really need to know how to use your pen tool. If you love me to make a pen tool tutorial for you guys, just put that in the comment section below. Okay, and I'll gladly do that for you guys. Okay, so here we are, guys. Okay, okay, so we're not done. The last thing I want us to do is I want us to add a stroke. I want us to add a white stroke to this, just like we did on the O's. Click on stroke. Okay, but this time around I want us to reduce the size to something like 27. All right, so let's bring it down. Let's put it somewhere here. Okay, um the last thing we have to do is add our minimalistic shadow. Okay, now grab the pen tool and just simply um put this here, guys. Right, so okay, all right, so it's E4F old E4F 0E2. All right, so guys, we are done with this beautiful green environments logo. Just in case you're watching us for the first time, please kindly hit that subscribe button. You turn on that bell notification icon so that anytime that we upload a brand new video, you'll be the first to see it. Okay, so if you have any question to us so far about this tutorial, or there are some kind of tutorial that you want me to upload, or you want me to teach you guys, or you want me to do on this channel, please do not hesitate to tell me that in the comment section below, so that I'll help you guys make the tutorial. I'll gladly do that for you guys. Okay, now thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.